Okay guys, got this in the mail today. The Cardo Pack Talk line half helmet kit. As you can see, I already opened it up. Comes with an installation guide. Boom mic is built in. So as you can see here, this boom mic, other than other Pack Talk sets where you can either use the boom mic or you can use the button mic as they call it. So what this does is this clips onto this guy here. Clips right in there, and it looks to be thin enough to where it should not be a big hassle. So shouldn't be, but that doesn't mean it won't be. Right? That's normally how it works, right? Things that shouldn't be hard turn out to be a real pain in the ass. You guys are gonna hate me with this shaking of the camera. So we've almost got it. I tell you what I need is a damn stand. I think we're in there. What do you guys think? Let's see here. Looks to be in there. And then with this guy here, so on your boom mic for these Cardo systems, you gotta have this arrow pointing to your mouth when you're talking. So it has to be, this is where you have to speak into, or this arrow right here. If you don't speak into this arrow, you're gonna have trouble with talking. Everyone's gonna hear your wind noise and things of that nature. So what I also have is I have a pair of IEM 3.5 millimeter headphones that I'm going to hook to this. So that's basically how I'm going to set it up. I may do something different to this guy here. You know, I may move him around or something. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But let me get the piece on and I'll be right back.